Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integration 1 to 4 6 divided by square root x in the bracket 1 plus square root x whole to the power 3 dx. So I is equal to integration 1 to 4 lower limit 1 upper limit 4 6 upon square root x 1 plus square root x whole to the power 3 dx. We will use here a substitution method. So 1 plus square root x, it means this bracket portion we can let any variable t. Put 1 plus square root x is equal to t. When we differentiate, we get this is 0, and when we differentiate this, so this is actually x to the power 1 upon 2, right? Square root x means x to the power 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 x to the power 1 upon 2 minus 1. So minus 1 upon 2 dx is equal to dt. So this will be 1 upon 2, and x to the power minus 1 upon 2 when we write in positive exponent, so this goes here in the denominator, x to the power 1 upon 2, and x to the power 1 upon 2 we can write in radical form square root x. Dx is equal to dt, and actually we wanted this one. This is in the denominator, it means 1 upon square root x dx is this. So 2 here, this is extra 2. So this one multiply this side. Okay. So 1 upon square root x dx is equal to 2 dt. And we can see here um, limits. So when x value is 1, that time x value 1 put here, and square root 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 2, so t value 2. Okay. When x value is 4 upper limit, so we put here 4, square root 4 is 2, 2 plus 1 3, so t value 3. Here limits 1 to 4, now 2 to 3. I is equal to integration 2 to 3, and this is 6 upon t cube. Okay, 6 upon t cube, 6 upon t cube, and this is 1 upon square root x dx value is 2 dt. So 2 we can write here, and this is dt. This 6 come here, 6 times 2 12, integration 2 to 3. Okay, this is 2, and 1 upon t cube we can write t to the power minus 3 dt. Now we can integrate. So what is the value? T to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. Okay. Limit 2 to 3. Okay. 12 t to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2. Limits 2 to 3. Okay. 12 divided by minus 2 is minus 6, and t to the power minus 2, or can we write 1 upon t square, okay, in positive power. and limits 2 to 3. Now we can put limits. So minus 6, 1 upon 3 square, t value 3 minus, we can put here lower limit 2 square. Okay, what is 3 square and 2 square? 1 upon 9, 1 upon 4. Okay, you can simplify this very easy. So here 4 minus 9 divided by 9 times 4, 36. Okay, minus 6, and this is minus 5 over 36. Minus minus plus 6 cancelled by 36. So we get 6. So answer is 5 upon 6. And this is our final answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.